Well, that's it. It's all about family, friends, cars. Whether nationality isn't a thing here. You're a car guy, you're a culture, and you're a family person. Come here to enjoy yourself.
Free stuff to give away. We're going to have a party on the last day. SummerNat 34, Drift Cadet. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hello, hi. So what we've got is it's a blown LS3, which is a 6.2 litre V8.
Okay.
We've got a 9-inch diff.
Wonderful. And everything is so amazing. How is your experience so far in this SummerNet?
Good, really good. First year entering a car, it was really good. But otherwise, yeah, we're going to be putting a supercharger on it.
SummerNat's Elder will be walking through the cars and taking a look, and we'll be meeting some of the drivers and hearing about some of the stories, the amazing stories behind these cars and how they found themselves here. We'll then have a look at the top 7 that we will.
I got it off a friend of the family.
Yeah.
And, he bought it in 1966, and my mum went with him to buy it. She was 15 when they came home in it, and she was the first person to sit in it.
This looks like a very fun car. I mean, what about the engine and horsepower? And
Oh, it's all totally standard. It's a 401 Buick. It's a completely standard car.
wow.
It's the only thing is it just sits lower. That's all. But and I've flat backed it just to keep it up.
Wow, that's good. And
They had an accident here at Summernats in 2016 where I hit the concrete barrier. So I've fixed it since then, but it's still, I need a new bumper bar still. But
so, do you have like a lot of passion and love for cars?
yeah, I do. I actually painted this car.
Wow.
The Street Machine of the Year car.
Okay. Highly dangerous. Why you have this highly dangerous?
Yeah. This is I painted this. That's what I do for a living. I do car restoration. So I painted this one, Chad's Ute, and I've done a few other cars that have been in the Elite Hall and stuff like that. So.
And how's your experience so far? Like you are here coming here for the last 20-25 years. It's like
Yeah, I mean it's good fun. It's always fun.
Wow.
Like the first year was 1990. That was like SummerNat 3 or 4 or something, and mate, I've come to nearly all of them since then. I would have only missed about 6 or 7 the whole time since then.
Wonderful. Thank you very much again for like enlightening the Canberra.
Yeah.
It's very quiet city. Thank you very much for like bringing all this like passion.
Yeah, I mean
and
it's
all
good.
This.
The things we do, we work right through the night, the last few nights, just to get the cars done to get here. You know what I mean? Like I painted the last panels on this Ute. I painted the last few panels on it at 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday morning.
Wow.
So basically, the panels got put on when the sun come up, and we came down Thursday afternoon.
Wonderful.
I've owned it since I was 16.
Okay.
Finished it just this year because of COVID.
Okay.
It's got an RB30 and 5-speed gearbox in it.
Wonderful. I'm just loving the color as well. Can you tell me a little bit about Shannon's?
Yeah, so Shannon's, we are insurance for the motoring enthusiast, so most of the cars you see here are actually insured with us. So we give you agreed value, your modified vehicles, everything like that. Something a bit different. That's what we're here for. We're our enthusiasts.
Is it just like How's your experience so far? Into this event.
Oh, it's been a ripper. Can't wait to come back.
Wonderful, yeah. It's amazing. It's like
You know, there was a bit like change in weather, but I'm happy that, you know, today the weather is so cool.
Yeah, the sun come out.
The sun's come out. We've turned on a ripper weekend. Can't
Wonderful.
wait. Yeah, we have a bloody massive hobby. So we do a bit of tractor pulling and we do a tour around Australia doing tractor pulling. And we've recently got into the burnout car scene. And, you know, a little bit different. The car, that's a 1992 Hilux with 350 Chev in it.
Wow.
Making around 450 horsepower.
Wow.
Somewhere around that vicinity. Nothing special, but good enough to have fun.
That's so, yeah.
2006 BA, BA Falcon, built at home, pretty much everything. Everything Ford's transmission, it was 387 Cleveland,
Yeah.
like just over 1,000 horsepower at the flywheel.
Wow.
That was built for burnouts.
That looks so fun. Awesome.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
good fun sport. Enjoyed the Summernats event so far. It's been a long time since I've been here, so 15-year break.
15 years.
Yeah,
It's
15
such a
years ago,
long
so-
time.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks like you're so much like passionate about
Yeah,
this
no,
car.
it's good to come back and have another go. So made the finals, so I'm happy with that. So finals is over.
Wow.
See how we go.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, so an LS engine, controlled camshaft, mostly stock componentry. This one's producing about 470 horsepower. Spend a bit of money, you'll get up to about 560 horsepower out of these engines.
It was in a paddock for 30 years.
Okay.
Bought it as a piece of garden art. The car that we were building wasn't quite there and needed a lot more money, so we threw all the good bits on this and Fred was born. So 20 years, but had a few problems early days this time round, but yeah, yesterday and today can't fault it.
Wonderful. Thank you.
It's been great.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What's your name again?
It's Mark.
Mark, nice to meet you, Mark. Would you like to tell us something about your car?
It's a V8 FC 1959.